Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 7 cool English words to use in sentences. These are cool English words that you can use regularly in your sentences, and they're cool enough that people are going to say, wow, you have a good vocabulary, you have a good word choice, you have a good diction, but they're also simple enough that most people are going to know what they mean or have heard them at least a couple of times recently. Okay, so let's get into these 7 words without further ado. There's a weird smell in here. I promise it's not me, but it smells like someone is having like some sort of bonfire around here or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start driving around. Let me get my seat back into its position and I'll tell you about those words. Just because, like I said, I don't know what's going on, but I don't want to be inhaling whatever's going on over here. The first word is actually livid, which actually means really angry. So instead of saying you're really, really angry, you can say you are livid right now. You can say I'm feeling livid right now, right? Instead of saying I'm super angry, I am feeling livid right now. Number 2, capricious, okay? And I believe I'm pronouncing that right. I've heard it pronounced different ways, but I think that's the proper way to pronounce it. Capricious, capricious, I should say. That's probably capricious. That's what I wrote down over here. Basically means a sudden change in mood or emotion. So essentially, you can say that he is acting very capricious right now, which means his mood changed from one extreme to the other suddenly, okay? Number 3, prolific. Prolific means a large number or a large thing, like something of massiveness, okay? I have produced and released a prolific number of videos, a prolific amount of content on this channel and online. If you haven't heard my voice before or seen my face before when watching some form of content on YouTube, then you probably haven't watched enough, okay? And put it that way, I have tons of videos. I've covered basically everything in the world for the most part, okay? So prolific means of massiveness, essentially, okay? Number 4, disingenuous, and I'll go over these at the end as a recap. Disingenuous, I'm going to pull over here because it doesn't smell over here now. So disingenuous means misleading or dishonest. So if someone is being disingenuous, you can say they're being very disingenuous right now, which is essentially that they're misleading you or being dishonest, okay? So that's number 4. Number 5, superior, okay? Superior just essentially means better than the rest, higher than the rest, more than the rest, anything that is a step above, basically above average, or above the other one that you're comparing it to. You can use the word superior. This phone is superior to that phone, for instance, better than the rest, okay? Number 6, unequivocally. I don't use this one often enough, but it's a really great word to use. Unequivocally means no argument to disprove. So unequivocally means like it is 100%, you cannot prove this wrong, set in stone, unequivocally. That's what it means. Like 100% guarantee, essentially. This is unequivocally the way home. It means like this is the way home. You can't disprove it. Last but not least is number 7, which is plethora. And plethora means lots, okay? So I have a plethora of hair fibers left on my head, despite the fact that I shaved my head and I look bald. Now, those hair fibers are very separated, but they're all over here, but I can still use that word. I have a plethora of hair over here, but nothing at the top. I'm bald, as you see in my videos. I'm not hiding anything. I'm not hiding the fact that I have hair. I don't have hair up here, but I have a plethora of hair over here as a crown, which is why you can call me king. I'm just joking. Anyways, those are essentially 7 cool English words to use in sentences. We're going to recap them once again, just in case you weren't paying attention fully, or in case I was going too fast. Number 1, livid, means really angry. Number 2, capricious, means sudden change in mood or emotion. Number 3, prolific, means large number or great amount, like a prolific massiveness. So massiveness or large number is prolific. Anything that's really, really big, much bigger than average. Number 4, disingenuous, means misleading or dishonest. Number 5, superior, means better than the rest. Number 6, unequivocally, means no argument to disprove this. It is 100% set in stone to be a fact and truth. Number 7, plethora, means lots or many. And those are 7 cool English words to use in sentences. Like I said, they're cool enough that people are going to say, wow, like that's a great choice of words, but they're not like over advanced to where people wouldn't have heard them. People will have heard these before. They're just cool enough to say like, wow, yeah, that's a very good word choice, but they'll know what it means for the most part. And if not, they're easy to explain. If they ask you what they mean, they're really, really easy to understand and to memorize, so you can easily explain what they mean. And that is essentially it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.